All right, here we go. Fixing to take off. Head to Matagorda Bay. Got everything ready. Got the batteries charged up last night. The coolers in the boat. Fishing poles. All right, here's room 12. Room 12. We'll check out the room. Nice little bed, air conditioner. You got a wall here. There's another bed, ceiling fan. Mirror, yeah. We'll venture into the bathroom. Shower, stand-up shower. Toilet. Mirror. Sink. Got a microwave. Coffee pot. TV. Dish Network. Refrigerator. Little bitty refrigerator. But then we got our healthy foods up here. We got some soup. We got we made it. What do you think? You ready?
We here.
Yeah. Ready to go. Restaurant.
That's where we're gonna try to catch some.
Alright, we're out here in a river channel, I guess. RV park back yonder. And we just got to ask Craig one question. How's the fishing?
Fishing's terrible right now. We're on the Colorado River. Haven't caught anything yet.
Getting a little sunburn though. Always got to have that. At least we caught that. Anyway, check back in here in about an hour or so when we're getting into them pretty heavy. Running a little popping corks. Caught a small redfish and a small speckled trout yet. Working live shrimp and a couple feet of water. What do you think?
That's slow.
It's slow, man, that's for sure. They're still giving her hell. It's out here by the sun, beating down. Yeah. See, it's so hot, Craig drinking water. Look at that. Anyway, caught a couple fish. I'll keep on trying it. See what happens.
Okay, it's gonna be fun if he chunks a perfect circle, catches a bunch of fish. Oh, here we go. Oh no, that shit hung a right on him real quick when it got up in that wind. It almost went around him like a boomerang. Oh Lord.
Well,
Hey, you catch any fish? No fish?
of course not. I ain't catch no fish. Just like we didn't catch no fish. Filming now, got a hot camera going. Well, here we are on this beach jetty slash hurricane force wind.
That shrimp boat's anchored out there. There's no way out there.
The shrimp boat can't even make it.
Oh shit, no, he can't come in with this.
Ain't too bad. It's like a windy lake, man. Ain't too bad. Hey, where I'm from, the wind blows like this every day. You gotta adapt. You gotta adapt.
Those people checking it out too. This dude already gone.
They're gonna run over his partner.
Oh.
Well, here's the Craig trying to get stuck. Well, they didn't have any luck. It's a cove. I don't know what the deal is. Sun just set. Using the trolling motor, save gas so we can get back. Got sunburnt. Look at here. Yeah. Pretty bad. Oh well. Put on sunscreen, but I don't know. Moon. Cruising around. We're gonna start heading in. Kind of hit another couple spots on the way in and see what's going on there. Yeah. What we got here?
Stingray.
Stingray. You know, fillet of stingray.
We're gonna go home and tell us
Hello, meat.
Holy Matagorda.
Huh.
Well, that's a good little piece on there.
Yeah. I don't think there's that much meat on
shit,
it.
he caught 5 of these damn things today. Kept all 5 of them. He went alright.
That's enough to sample it anyway.
Yeah.
Find out.
Are you eating shrimp or?
Yeah.
Picking up shrimp.
There's meat back there too. Oh yeah.
He's the only one that's
Yeah, I don't think the bottom of these are
There we go. A couple small fish over here. So